Hello and welcome back to my channel where we talk about outdoor gear and my outdoor adventures. So, this is April and we have another Nomadik box. So, let's see, get the card. I do not see a card this month, which is weird for them, so let's go ahead and get started anyway. So, we have this Hero Hydrate Tropical Strawberry. Love the flavor. Just add water and shake. So this is a protein duo, advanced hydration, faster recovery, low sugar, which is great for me. So next item in the box is a Nomadik bandana towel made of UPX 50 micro suede, absorbs sweats, clean messes, and more. It's 22 ounces. So it's 22 by 22, 2 ounces, and has a 4-to-1 absorbency rate. And it appears to have a cool pattern. So, next item I see in the box is what looks to be a Nomadik camping notebook. Let's check this thing out. Little compass on the back. It's got a date, time, location, weather, terrain, and observations, as well as a place to make a sketch. Also got a handy packing list, as well as a print identification. If there's anything in the front, itinerary and contact information in case this is found on somebody, as well as some nice nature laws. That is actually really cool, and can't wait to use that to capture some adventures. So, I think I see the sticker in the book, so we're going to go ahead and pull those out. The sticker this month is one of their classics, which is always great. And then this is Happy Camper. As we say, it's got a bunch of information about what's in the box, as well as highlights of their shop, some brand discounts, and there's usually, some tips, as well as a challenge. The last thing in the box is a knife from Mark No. Oh, this appears to be a nice Swedish-made stainless steel. It comes in a hard sheet. Let's see if the card had anything else to say about this. So, this is the Mara Niv Companion, an all-in-one knife, great for carving, prepping food, and making dinner. Stainless steel blade. It does not say if it is a full tang or not, but either way, a nice quality knife. So, this month we have the Nomadik's bandana towel, the Mora knife companion, military green. We have the Unemployed Philosophers Guild camping notebook, which is this guy, as well as the Wilderness Athlete Hero Energy and Hydration Powder Drink Mix. Overall, a great score. So, if this kind of thing interests you, consider subscribing to Nomadik. You can get in touch with them at thenomadik.com or at thenomadik. Consider subscribing, liking the video, and sharing if this kind of content interests you. And until next time, I'll see you on trail.